Hi guys, my name is Bettina Campolucci-Bordi from Bettina's Kitchen. Welcome to my online classes. Whether you are a plant-based eater or not, you will be sure to leave with a host of new skills, new cooking inspiration and a belly full of spectacular food. We will also cover sustainability, how to lower our impact when it comes to consumption and how to make the most out of what we have. I am basically going to show you how to build a plant-based pantry. I will be there guiding you step by step. Learn the art of creating, assembling and enjoying a fully plant-based cheese board. Expect to discover just how simple it is to make your own gut-friendly cheeses from scratch, how to customize them and to pick up lots of plant-based tips and tricks to take away with you. I'm so excited to finally have this course online and I hope as many of you as possible can join me. Come along, I can't wait to cook with you.